I needed a bed that looked like a sofa. It's in my office, but I use this room as my guest room when my kids or my grandkids are here. So I found this beautiful trundle, and I thought certainly that's going to be too good to be true, but it is not. I cannot tell you how happy I am with this trundle bed. It is beautiful. The design is gorgeous. It was so easy to put together. And pulling it out, the trundle is on a separate set of wheels, one-handed. It's not attached, so I can roll it anywhere in the room and make two totally separate beds for my grandkids to sleep in. I love it. I would highly recommend this particular trundle bed. Like I said, the aesthetics, gorgeous, easy to use. Definitely recommend.